One benefit for reading the book Culturally Responsive Teaching by Zaretta Hammond is because it offers concise but not restrictive views on how to teach multicultural students. She doesn't only focus on her experiences, but also utilizes our physical body and neuroscience to explain effective teaching environments and methods. She has a lot of diagrams and step-by-step instructions and flowcharts that would help even the newest teacher implement her strategies. It's not in your face or telling you exactly what and how to do, but giving you concrete steps and instructions on how to go through teaching culturally responsibly. It's an easy read with really good suggestions and theories that allow you to come to your own conclusions. It is a very easy read in that it's laid out quite nice. There is lots of different sections that are broken up into different subcategories, which make it easy to understand the main topics and points of each chapter, and just a very helpful read, especially for teacher candidates such as myself.